Exercise 4.3, class 10th, English medium, chapter 4th. We discussed in last exercise to find the root of equation using factorization method. In this exercise, we discussed find the root of equation first by completing square, then using quadratic formula. First of all, we have to find the roots by perfect square. For perfect square, first step is to make coefficient of x square 1. This means we divide it by 2. X square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2. Second step, coefficient of x is 7 by 2. We do not bother about sign. Half of coefficient of x, 7 by 4. We adding square of 7 by 4 but means half of coefficient of x and subtracting. Adding and subtracting 7 by 4 का square. X square minus 7 by 2x plus 7 by 4 का square. We have to subtract 7 by 4 का square and simplify this. 7 का square 49, 4 का square 16 plus 3 by 2. Taking 16 LCM minus 49, 2 8 जा 8 3 जा 24. A square plus b square minus 2ab, it means x minus 7 by 4 का square minus 25 by 16. Taking out 25 by 16 other side. X minus 7 by 4 का square is equal to 25 by 16. X minus 7 by 4 का square. This is plus minus 5 by 4 का square. If we plus 5 by 4 का square, that 25 by 16. Minus 5 by 4 का square, 25 by 16. Cancelling out square, taking this side. X is equal to 7 by 4 plus minus 5 by 4. Taking positive sign and negative sign. Firstly positive sign, then negative sign. 12 by 4, 3, 2 by 4, 1 by 2. This is the method of perfect square. Second question, 2x square plus x minus 2. Here coefficient of x square is 2. We firstly divide by 2. Divide by 2, 1, 1 by 2 and 4 by 2, 2. Second step, coefficient of x is 1 by 2. Half of this coefficient, 1 by 4. Then adding and subtracting 1 by 4 square. X square 1 by 2x, adding 1 by 4 का square. Simplify this 1 by 16, then subtract. LCM 16 minus 1 minus 32. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b all का square. Minus 33 by 16. Taking quotient other side, x plus 1 by 4 का square is equal to 33 by 16. Similarly, like first part, plus minus root 33 by 4 का square. We have to find square, root 33 का square. Cancelling out this. Taking 1 by 4 this side. X minus 1 by 4 plus minus root 33 by 4. Taking 4 LCM, minus 1 plus minus root 33. One root is minus 1 plus root 33 by 4. Second minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Third question, 4x square plus 4 root x 3x plus 3. Coefficient of x square 3, 4, we divide by 4. Divided by 4, 1, 4 cancel out, 3 by 4. Now, coefficient of x is root 3. We have to adding and subtracting half of this, root 3 by 2. Adding root 3 by 2 square and subtracting root 3 by square. Adding root 3 by 2 square and root 3 by 2 square, subtracting, cancelling out this. A square plus b square plus 2ab. It becomes root 3 by 2 all का square. Here 0 plus minus 0 का square. If you can write or note. X minus root 3 by 2. We add 0 or we subtract 0. 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. Next question. 2x square, fourth part, plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Dividing by 2, it becomes plus 2 is equal to 0. Then coefficient of x is 1 by 2. Adding 1 by 2, half of coefficient of x. 1 by 4 का square. Adding or subtracting. X square plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4 का square. Subtracting, simplifying this. LCM 16 minus 1 plus 32. X a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole का square. Plus 31 by 16 is equal to 0. Taking constant other side, x plus 1 by 4 का square is equal to minus 31 by 16. Square of any number cannot be negative. Hence, equation have no real root. Now, quadratic formula. Equation, this is equation of quadratic equation. Firstly, we find discriminant. This means d, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. B, coefficient of x. 4 in the formula. A, coefficient of x square. C, constant term. If d greater equal to 0, either it positive or equal to 0, equation have real roots. If d less than 0 means negative, no real root. Your root does not exist. If d is equal to 0, then real roots and equal also. Remember, when d is equal to 0, real roots and equal. Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus d. D means b square minus 4ac by 2a. First question, 2x square minus 7x plus 3. A 2, b minus 7, c 3. D is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 7 का square minus 4 into a into c. This is discriminant. 49, 24, 25 greater than 0. Equation have real root. Then we can find root by using this formula. Minus b plus minus d divided by 2a. Minus b mean minus 7 plus minus 25 by 2 into a. 7 plus minus 25 root 5 divided by 4. Taking positive and negative sign. X, 7 positive sign, then negative sign. 12 by 4, 3, 2 by 2, 1. 2 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 and 1 by 2. Question number second. 2x square plus x minus 4. A, coefficient of x square. B, coefficient of x. C, constant term. Discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. 1 का square minus 4 into a into c. 1 का square 1 minus minus plus 4 to 8, 4 जा 33. 33 greater than 0. Equation have real root. Then we can find real root by quadratic formula. Minus b. B means 1 plus minus d. D means 33 by 2 into a 2. Minus 1 plus minus 33 by 4. This is the answer. 1 take positive sign and negative sign. 4x square plus 4 root x plus 3. A value 4. B 4 root 3. C 3. Discriminant b square minus 4ac. 4 root 3 का square minus 4 into a into c. 4 root 3 का square means 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. 4 4 जा 16. 3 3 जा 9. 9 root 3. This means 48. 48 ये 48 is equal to 0. Equation have real roots. Then to find root, minus b plus minus d by 2a. D mean b square minus 4ac minus 4 root 3 plus minus 0 by 2 into a minus 4 root 3. Either we add 0 or subtract 0. This means both the case 4 root 3 by 8. This value. Then x is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8. Minus root 3 by 2. Fourth part. 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. A coefficient of x square, b coefficient of x, c constant term, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. 1 का square minus 4 into a into c. 1, 4 to the 8, 4 the 32, minus 31. If d is minus, then equation have no real root.